Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot use your Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser on OnePlus 10T 5G. So right here, if we try to view any website, it doesn't load. The same is on the Google Play Store as if we try to download the games or apps like this one and we click on install. It changes to the pending mode and stays in that forever. So to fix this we'll need to navigate to the settings, but first let's cancel this app as it might break. So navigate to the settings, scroll all the way down to find the system settings, date and time, and enable set time automatically. If you go back and look for the website again, it should load perfectly. And the same as with Google Play Store, as if we try to download the game, it should start download normally. If it doesn't work for you still, you might need to restart your Google Play Store like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.